Hi friends, it's Jazz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little vlog. Today is actually Koda's second birthday, which is September 20th. So we're going on a little trip to celebrate him, and our anniversary is the 26th, so we're also celebrating that. We picked up Dutch Bros. We got a candied cherry Rebel, iced with a sour shot added. Do you like it?
I haven't even tried it.
Try it.
Which one?
Yours.
Blue one.
Yeah, blue.
Ugh.
For lunch, we're going to one of my favorite spots, and that is Killer Burger. This is in Oregon, and it is delicious. This is the menu. They have lots of good, yummy burgers to choose from. And then Kyle went with the Motley Q, and I went with the classic substitute bread for a lettuce wrap. Here's the food. Kyle salted my fries. He normally eats them. And how good does our food look? And let me tell you, it was scrumptious. It was so good. Per usual. And there's Kyle. So cute. Is making a sand castle. I have some things right here that I'm helping him with. Koda's whining, and we think it's because the last time we were here, Kyle's family was with us, so it kind of looks like he's looking for something, so we think maybe he's looking for them. But Kyle's plan is to take his RC truck and run over the sand castle that we were building over there. So brought books to read, so I'm reading the If Only I Had Told Her, which is the second book of the If He Had Been With Me series. Good books, highly recommend them. And then Kyle plans on reading Gardens of the Moon, and this is a book that he got a long time ago in Montana. But yeah, so these are our two books that we brought to read. Who knows if we actually will read them, but just in case. And I have some corn nuts in here for a snack and some water. So that is kind of what the vibe is for today. Now in these next few clips, you're going to see Kyle's RC truck get torn up, but that's okay. That's what it's for. And also, I want to point out, Kyle has had this RC truck for about 3 or 4 years, so it is definitely done its time. I believe this is the first time we've taken it out on the beach, but this thing has gone through it. Kyle even once ran it into a telephone pole, accidentally, but still, it survived. Just in case you didn't catch it, in that last clip, part of the tire flew off. So go back and see if you can catch it if you didn't get that. Kyle's over there. Kyle is building a ramp for his RC truck, so we'll see how that goes. Kyle just had a really good one and I missed it, so oops. We then went to Tillamook for some ice cream. I got mint chocolate chip and Kyle got cookies and cream, and we went up top to go and view their room while we ate it. This trip was so much fun, and I definitely have to shout out my amazing fiance for suggesting we do this. I didn't film a lot, but I was definitely just enjoying the moment. Make sure to like and subscribe to join the Catalina crew, and as always, stay kind out there. And please wish my fur baby a happy birthday, because he deserves all the love in the world.